What's Gucci, everybody? It's your boy Real Tito, and guess what we're doing today, guys? We're starting my cell phone repair business, but where? Inside of what? Inside my house, inside the mall. We're here at Dunkin' Donuts. Cameraman, show them where we at. Let me show you guys what tools we're using to repair the phone. So this is the double-sided tape. Gotta have your double-sided tape, to fully close the phone. Gotta have your screens. Very important. Gotta have your tempered glass. For those of you guys wondering, how do I get my customers, guys? That's the most easiest question. I get my customers through social media and word of mouth. You guys have to promote yourself. Promotion. Make videos on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, and just put yourself out there. Or people recommend me to other customers as well. So make sure to promote yourself. Here are my tools. I got my screwdrivers. I got my tweezers. I got this thingy, whatever this is, the opening tool. Got my alcohol if I can spray these holes. Y'all heard?
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? Till I get my money right. I had a dream.
What's good, everybody? You already know who this is. It's your boy Tito, and as you guys can see, I'm wiping down the screen of the phone because for every repair that I do get free tempered glass. Yes, free 99. FREE, free tempered glass for every repair. And as you can see, the repair went smooth. The phone is turning on. Nice little tempered glass, and let's get it.
Check it out.
What's good, everybody? So this is another phone that I repaired. It's an iPhone 7, and as you can see, the screen was cracked, and so was the rear back camera glass. And for this repair, I charged $110. And don't forget to always include that free tempered glass because customers love that stuff. And that was me opening up the phone and working on it and showing you guys the components inside. And here's the end result with the new screen and of course temper glass, and that's a new camera glass. Yeah, I heard.
I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.